And you're adding Jenna to the video, aren't you? Yeah.
Yes. So by the way, we are live. Yes, so Jenna, they've got her information just because she was the final speaker. They haven't added her yet, but I spoke to them this morning, and it should be done today, actually. Sadly, not in time for this, but you get the idea as to what the intro will look like. So we will go live. With that intro, just so that everyone can see it. And I'm just going to join the session here.
So I'll know we're live, will I? Because it's got the live button in the corner of the screen. Is that right?
Yes. So that is how you'll know we are live, because of the little thing in the corner.
So I don't need to plug Dom in then. It just will just go when he sees that. Okay.
Exactly. As soon as it stops, you will just be able to start right away and start with the introductions. Okay. So in terms of Q&A, Donna, the delegates will be posting in the video as to whether or not they've got questions, and then you'll be sending them to the speakers in the StreamYard chat. Is that still how it will work for you? Is that still okay?
Yeah, that's fine. And I'll have a couple of questions. I'll draft a few questions in case they don't send any, and then I can just post them through. Same with tomorrow as well. I'll have some questions up my sleeve in case they don't get asked.
Okay, perfect.
And I'll just put them in the private chat here, so Dom will see them, but so will the panelists as well.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
So just to let you know, we are on YouTube at the moment. We are live on our demo on YouTube. So I can see us over here. Not really sure how to do this, but because I can't share my screen. But here we are on YouTube. Hello, Inception Dom and Inception Donna. So they can ask a question over here, ask something, submit that. I'm coming up as Ravinda. That's problematic. I'm not sure why. But anyways, that's me. And they can see information, so they can get more information about the speakers if need be. I've put them all in there, so that's quite nice. And then you can just keep an eye on that, Donna, and then pop any questions that come up into StreamYard, and we should be okay. So
we're both going to be in the office, Dominic, on Wednesday to run it, aren't we, Kelsey?
Tomorrow?
Yes. No, not tomorrow. Next Wednesday.
Sorry. Yes, IQ's tomorrow.
I know we've got one tomorrow as well for lead monitor, but yeah, next Wednesday we'll both be in the office.
Yes, we shall be there. So I won't have my DJ kit in front of me, but Donna and I will be together. Yes.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, I'll do it from home. I think could be easier to find somewhere quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I think the acoustics are definitely better. That's another conversation we're having internally about how to make some of the meeting rooms a bit more less echoey, because whenever people are doing it from there, it's not ideal, really.
Yeah.
Have we not got a studio that the NS use for their podcast?
But they use it, and it gets built.
Yeah, we try to use it tomorrow because we've got Mark Moore speaking tomorrow for this event, and he's in the office, but we can't use the podcast room, so we're just going to try and sort out the sound in the meeting room.
Yeah. Okay. I ran one with Tech Monitor, and Pete was chairing, and I think it was him, and he came through. It was just a 10-minute interview, and he came through to we just booked a meeting room, or he booked it or something, and the acoustics really were bad, so we can't really rely on the meeting rooms. So Chris Stone has hooked us up with some headphones to use for tomorrow at least, which I think will make a huge difference. Yeah. But if you're happy to run it from home, then that's absolutely fine.
So really, we know what the glitch was then last time, so there shouldn't be any issue. It should be.
No, we don't ever say that though. So yeah, I've tried to recreate it so many times, and yes, we think it. So what happens in YouTube is it deselects allow embedding. So you check it. Everyone sees you check it. And it was only because we had a couple of people sharing their screens the other day, and we all saw it being ticked, and we all saw the settings being correct. And then we started, and we went back, and it had unticked. And because all three of us had seen it, we knew that that's where it was lying. So then we did it again, and we saw it being unticked as well. So somehow YouTube, I don't know what it is, the connection between StreamYard and YouTube or what it is, but somehow that little box is being unticked. So I've got it open here on another page where I'm reticking it before we go live.
Okay.
Cool.
I mean, at least in this case, there's no sponsor on it. So that was what I found difficult last time, having to explain to the sponsor.
Yeah. I mean, these webinars, you don't want anything to go wrong. I find live events are just so much easier because you can see what's going wrong. You can see if there's a problem. You can see if someone has spilled red wine all over the floor. You can just see what's happening. Whereas here, I'm just the middleman. I haven't designed the program. I haven't told the company we're using it. You know, I'm in between. It's me, and then I've got a team in India besides me. So it can be quite hard. And I mean, they're really good and they've been very helpful, but it's hard to be the middleman, whereas live, it's on you, you know. So anyway, we've tried everything, and so please God that it runs smoothly.
Well, at least we've got another one tomorrow as well as a, dry run for Press Gazette.
Oh, we don't want that because we want our Count IQ to be happy as well. We want everyone to be happy. It just must run smoothly for everyone.
It will.
Yeah, it will. Cool. So, Dom, any questions from you? Any concerns or any bits?
No, it all sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
And Kelsey, are you joining us at 5 o'clock to speak to Gordon and Edward?
Briefing for Press Gazette at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
I have a meeting every hour, so they're kind of like all merging into one at the moment.
Amazing.
She'll be there.
Jenna won't be on it, but I'll circulate the sort of the script template to you, Dominic, as well, that we did last time. And then, we can share the questions with them afterwards. Jenna said she's happy to answer on anything. So
great. Okay.
And we're going to meet on StreamYard, Donna.
Sorry?
We'll meet on StreamYard at 5.
Yes.
That makes sense. Okay, cool.
Perfect. All right. We can end
Cheers.
this
Cheers.
now.